Hello everyone, and today I'm finally closing out a series. Today is the last episode of the shadow boxing series. I've added 2 free finishers for you guys to use, and I'll be showing you how to add your own finishers. Before we start, I just want to ask you guys if you enjoy my content to consider like and subscribing, as it really helps out the channel. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so if we insert the shadow boxing kit into our studio now by going to Toolbox, My Models, and clicking the shadow boxing kit, you could see that there is now a huge beam shooting out of the ring. And the reason why this is because this is a finisher. So in the shadow boxing kit, in the replicated storage folder, we now have events and beam. So we're going to take those, put inside a replicated storage. Server script storage, event scripts, and leaderboard. That's the same as it was before. Put that in there. And then workspace, we will put the ring in workspace. All right, so for the first finisher, we'll go up, 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 right. And then we'll go up, right, down. And as you can see, the first finisher is this ice effect where it freezes the player in the direction that they last went. For the second finisher, it's actually that ascend one, which you'll see in a second. So we went down, down, left, and then we'll go down, left, up. And if we get them, you could see that a beam spawns in and they start floating up. So if you guys take a look at the ring model inside of workspace and look at the handler script, inside of it is a new module script called finishers. This is where all the finishers that you create will go. If you want to create a new finisher, you're going to go down here and we're going to have to make a new function. So to do this, we'll say function module dot, and then we'll type the name of the actual finisher. We don't have one, so we'll just type test. And then we're going to put in parentheses character. Basically, we're getting the character of the losing player, and then we're going to edit the character within the function. So whatever you want to happen to the character, you write in here, just like you could see as I did for the other two. Once we have our function written, we're going to X out of the finisher script, and then we're going to go to our handler script. In the handler script is where we'll access the finishers. So if you scroll down a little bit in this function win, you could see I have it set up so that if the third move is up, then the rise animation plays, and if I have it, and if it's not up, then the ice finisher plays. If you wanted to make a new one, you would just say like else if third move equals right, then we'll throw in a else, and then you'd say finishers dot test, and then you would send over the loser character. So what's that basically is saying is that if the last move is right, then this finisher will play. That pretty much wraps up the tutorial. Get creative with the finishers that you guys make. If you guys have any questions or concerns regarding the kit, please join my Discord linked in the description or the pinned comment of the video. I have great staff that will try to help you guys with any problems or bugs that you may have. That's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe on your way out. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.